This galaxy is 6 million light years away, and it doesn't actually look like this. What you're seeing isn't a lie exactly, but it's not the whole truth either. Every color in this image is a secret. NGC 300 is one of the closest spiral galaxies to us, about 6 million light years away. And in ordinary starlight, it looks soft and gray-blue, almost gentle. But this image layers in 3 extra channels of light that human eyes can't see at all. The glow from sulfur gas, shown in red, hydrogen in green, and oxygen in blue. Mix red and green in different amounts, and you get yellow and orange. That's why the core of this galaxy looks like it's on fire. It's not. It's mostly hydrogen gas, burning invisible to us until someone remaps it onto a color we can actually see. Look at the upper portion of the galaxy. Those vivid blue rings and blobs aren't star clusters. They're clouds of ionized oxygen, lit up from the inside. What's ionizing them? Young, massive stars. We're talking stars dozens of times heavier than our sun, pouring out ultraviolet radiation so intense it strips electrons right off the surrounding gas. That gas then glows as it tries to calm back down. The thing is, stars that massive don't last long. They burn through their fuel in just a few million years, a blink compared to our sun's 10 billion year lifespan. And when they go, they explode. Over here in the center left of the galaxy, there's a striking teal-blue circular cloud that almost looks like a wide-open eye staring back at you. That shape, round, hollow, almost like a bubble, is exactly what a supernova remnant can look like. A star explodes, blasts gas outward in a sphere, and hundreds of thousands of years later, the expanding shell is still glowing. Scientists aren't certain which of these colorful clouds are hiding old supernova remnants and which are still active star-forming regions. Some might be both at once, a dead star's explosion triggering the birth of new ones nearby. So when you look at this image, you're not seeing NGC 300 the way it is. You're seeing it translated. The colors are a language, a way of making the invisible speak. Sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, gases that have been sitting out there in the dark for millions of years, waiting for something massive enough to make them shout. And somewhere in those glowing bubbles, there are stars being born right now out of the wreckage of stars that are already gone. What does it mean that the most alive-looking parts of this image are also where things are dying? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.